I'm Franco Viotto with the company Carraro Spray from Villanova, Italy. And today I'm going to introduce you the sprayer, the air blast sprayer called ATD. ATD is a sprayer that is having a double propeller. What we have here is two propellers rotating one against the other. The reason of this design of the machine is because, as everybody knows, the traditional sprayer is creating a turbine of air that is normally blowing more on one side and less on the other. With the ATD of Carraro Spray, we avoid this problem because we have a uniform distribution of the air on both sides. The sizes of the tanks are 1,000 liter, 1,500 and 2,000 liter, which means up to 500 US gallons size. The tank is a poly tank, and the machine is equipped with an optional mechanical agitation which permits an uniform mixing of the chemical. As explained, we have two propellers here, one's rotating against the other, and the air is also adjusted with these two wings which are on top of the machine in order to, particularly if we have low vines or low orchards, we can direct the spray lower and avoid waste of chemical. The manifold is equipped with double nozzles, which means that we can, with the same machine, just by turning the nozzles, we can, for instance, have dilute or concentrate spray. The dilute spray is normally used much more in the winter when it is necessary to wash the vines or the orchards and reduce the risk of diseases of the plant. The machine comes equipped with rear lights, which make the machine legal to go on the roads. This is very important, particularly when the grower has to work on night time and can go on roads perfectly legally and safely. The machine has a rear bumper that prevents possible damages. Everything is completely safe. There is no risk of injuries of the grower. Behind here we have the intake of the air. This is an important part of the machine because, as you see, we have a shield in the bottom here which avoids the machine to bring inside any dust, any leaves. Talking about safety, the machine is equipped with a hand wash reservoir. You see here we have fresh water in this reservoir. This is very important to have in order to have the possibility to wash hands or face if for some reason the operator would touching chemicals. When someone is getting in contact with a chemical, it is vital to wash away the chemical immediately. That's why we have this reservoir here of fresh water. As we know, in the fields, many times we are away from any place where it can be possible to take care of accidents, and this is another important thing that Carraro Spray designed on the machines to be sure that the operator is always working safely. The machine is equipped with a step on both sides. The step is spring-loaded, as you can see, so when it is closed it creates no problems to the operations. It's not hitting the plants or touching the canes, which could damage the crops. From this position, the operator can open the lid and do everything that it may be necessary. There is a high pressure pump that it is adjustable from the tractor cab, and equipped with a constant velocity drive shaft, which permits to the operator to turn in narrow places. It is possible to make sharp angles, but we remind the users that at the end of the row it is compulsory to stop the PTO, because there is the risk of damage the PTO itself, or the pump, or the tractor, and also because is as a compulsory safety duty to stop the PTO. Every Carrara spray sprayer is equipped with a strainer that can be cleaned also when the tank is full. If I'm taking off this yellow cap, I'm shutting off a valve, and I can clean the cartridge of the strainer in complete safety. The ATD sprayer is equipped with a 2-speed gearbox. The operator is just acting on this level and can put the machine on speed number 1, number 2, or neutral. The neutral may be necessary when the operator wants to use, for instance, the handgun, or just use the blower without spraying anything. We have 2 lids. The main lid here is covering the basket. The basket has a shower, so when it is necessary to create the mix with the chemical, the operator will throw the chemical inside here, and the shower is going to mix everything. The second lid permits to the operator to inspect inside the tank without having the obstacle of the basket and the shower. So I can see here if everything is okay without any problem. The machine has an electric control. You see in this panel here we have an on and off switch that opens and closes the sprayer. Then we have left and right switches, which means that it's possible to spray only one side or both sides. And important, we have another switch that allows to adjust the pressure. We have in this gauge shows the pressure, and thanks to this switch going up and down, I can increase or reduce the pressure.